Hello, I represent Context, Romania, and today I will share with you how fun is to fight Russians on the social media using technology. But first, a little bit about context. So we are a small team. We started up in 2022, just when Ukraine was brutally invaded by Russians. We actually embedded some Ukrainian journalists, and we are still working with them on investigations. Our mission is to increase the investigative reporting power in Romania and in the region, and we are doing that by embedding in our team young journalists and giving them a platform where to express themselves and to start working on investigations. And one thing that we learned from the start when we published our first investigation is that there is a huge need to explain the info ops, the disinformation that is invading our space. And we started doing that actually in 2022. We are part of a big investigation called the fire hose. And if you look on this project, it's one of the most eloquent way to show how Russians are operating in our space. And we saw that the problem is social media, basically. We have seen over and over again that platforms are facilitating the digital invasion that the Russian state is doing. We are seeing it again and again on TikTok, on Telegram, on X, on Facebook. These platforms are basically, from my point of view, the transport vessels, the ships that are transporting digital soldiers into our space. And this is done with the help of the platforms. We are just out of the Moldova reporting, and there we have seen how platforms are ignoring our investigations, our reports, our technical reports about several of the operations conducted by Russia. Here you see some of the articles. We have documented how Russians are using AI. We have documented a network of 150 accounts that have put out there over 20,000 videos on TikTok that were AI generated. TikTok has done nothing to take that down. Moreover, there is a party in the parliament that we have shown, our friends from Expert Forum have shown that they were the beneficiary of an operation that inflated their algorithms. Our solution to this is technology, and we have built up our own software that is capable to analyze how this information is spread and how inauthentic operations are conducted on social media. And at this time, our tool has analyzed over 600,000 clips on TikTok, and for the elections in Moldova, we have analyzed 60,000 clips. As mentioned, we have done this from 2022 and 2023. Our last reports and analyses were featured in one of the prestigious NGOs that is conducting analysis on Russian disinformation, Alliance for Europe. And we are happy to partner up with anybody who's willing to join the fight. We need more tech power and manpower to fight disinformation, because now we are in a digital war and Russia is conducting that. And also, we need money to do that. So any help from anybody, it's welcome. And thank you very much.